Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you, yes you, make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the high-flying world of drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, or as I like to call it, the Holy Roller. And on the right, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which I affectionately refer to as the Sky Boss. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the big one, price. The Holy Roller comes in at $249. That's right, folks. You can have a drone for less than the cost of a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Sky Boss is flying high at $759. That's a whole lot of cheddar. Reviewers agree that the Holy Roller offers great value for beginners and those on a budget. On the flip side, the Sky Boss is considered a premium option, praised for its advanced features and professional quality, but it comes at a steep price. So if you're on a budget, Holy Roller is your guy. If you have a money tree in your backyard, Sky Boss is your ticket. Next up, camera quality. The Holy Roller boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a mini Hollywood director following you around, minus the ego and the overpriced coffee. Reviewers love its solid performance for the price, though some suggest using a Class 10 SD card for better video quality. On the other hand, the Sky Boss promises immersive real-time aerial footage with 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. That's right, 20 kilometers. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its 4K video at 60 FPS and its ability to handle high-speed winds. So, if you want to see every wrinkle on your grandma's face from 20 kilometers away, Sky Boss has got you covered. Now, let's talk flight features. Holy Roller has GPS-assisted intelligent flight, which means it's smart enough to return home when the battery is low, signal is lost, or you just press a button because you're lazy. It also follows you like a loyal puppy and can fly in circles around a point. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and impressive features for the price. Sky Boss, on the other hand, has omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. It's like having a sixth sense, but for avoiding trees and buildings. Plus, it features Active Track 360 degrees, making it so easy to control that even your tech-averse grandma could fly it. So if you're prone to crashing into things, Sky Boss is your safer bet. Battery life. Holy Roller gives you 26 minutes per battery, and it comes with 2 batteries for a total of 52 minutes. That's more than enough time to film your cat doing something hilarious. Reviewers find this battery life impressive, though recharging takes a while. Sky Boss, however, offers a single 34-minute flight time battery. Reviewers suggest getting extra batteries for extended flights. So, if you're planning on making an epic drone video, you might need to pack a lunch and a spare battery. In this round, Holy Roller takes the win for longevity, because who doesn't want more airtime? Finally, user experience. Holy Roller keeps it simple with one key start-stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and even an electric fence, because nothing says safety like an invisible barrier. Reviewers love its user-friendly features and find it easy to control. Sky Boss offers an immersive flight experience with DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI goggles, sold separately of course. You can control the flight with just a flick of your wrist. It's like playing a video game, but in real life. Reviewers are particularly impressed with its ease of use and advanced features like auto-tracking and obstacle avoidance. So if you want to feel like a drone piloting wizard, Sky Boss is your go-to. Overall, The Holystone HS720 GPS drone is highly recommended by reviewers for its affordability, ease of use, and impressive features, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is praised for its advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and immersive user experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals. Alright, smart shoppers, there you have it. The Holy Roller versus the Skyboss. Both have their perks, quirks, and price tags. If you're a budget-conscious newbie, Holy Roller is your best friend. If you're a high-flying, big-spending enthusiast, Skyboss is your soulmate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below on which drone you'd pick and why. And remember, always buy smart. See you in the next video. Product links are in the description.